Samahan nyo ako mag-distribute ng flyers natin. Kanina pa kami ni Mixo nito. Nag-walking kami doon banda. Doon kami nag-walking kanina. Diyan lang naman, no, sa may street ba, malapit dito. And then, bit-bit ko yung flyers. Nabigay kami ni Mixo. Yung hinulog lang namin sa mailbox. Same sa ginawa namin ni Pars last week eh. Kakarating lang ni Pars, 7:30 yung uwi niya. So ito, sabi ko, punta ko ng gym, tapos ihulog ko to dun sa malapit sa Q-Market. Loy, ulan man. So, naka 1 oras at kalahati din kami ni Mixo kanina nag-walking, tapos nag-drop ng mga flyers. Din ako nag-vlog dahil sa kakamadali ko. Hindi ko pala nadala yung ating camera. Doon ko na naalala nung medyo malayo-layo na kami ni Mixo. Hindi ko pala talaga siya dala. So, doon na lang ako sa may Q-Market dahil meron yung nakalaray doon na mailbox ba. Easy lang siya hulugan. Si Pars na ang magpatulog doon kay Mixo natin. Mag-alas 8 naman. Kakarating lang niya kasi. Sabi ko, alis muna ako. Continue ko lang yung aking isang trabaho, tapos punta ako ng gym. Hindi ko pa pala naluto yung ulam doon. Ay, nilabas ko lang yung karne. Maya ko na lang lutuin dahil frozen pa yung kanina. Sana pagbalik ko ay malambot na para ready to cook na. Kauwi ako nito mga alas 10 na ng gabi. So dito lang, oh, ito. Matagal ko na to gusto hulugan dahil napaka easy lang, nasa isang area lang. Tingnan natin ganito. Ayan, hulog lang natin dyan. Ayan, ayaw nila ng advertise. Ito, yung mga ayaw magpalagay ng advertise, huwag na natin lagyan. Ang hirap naman ito tanggalin. Ayan, Minoxia, ayaw nila. Sus, ang dami nakalaray pero ilan yung ayaw magpalagay? 1, 2, 3, 5 din. Ayan, yan lang. Tapos mag-walking tayo dun, oh, sa unahan. Ganyan talaga yan pag nag-uumpisa ng negosyo. Hindi basta-basta makakuha ng customer. Pero no hurry naman kami yung magkapera talaga, magka-customer talaga. Of course, masaya kami pag meron kaming customer. Pero pag mahirap talaga, hindi natin pilitin yung ating sarili. Meron naman kaming mga trabaho ni Pars at nag-uumpisa pa lang kami. So yun nga sabi niya, we're not in hurry na makadami ng customer dahil napakahirap mag-negosyo. Ayan dito, oh. Maganda yung ganito, yung nakalaray na siya ba. Hindi ko na kailangan maglakad-lakad ng masyadong malayo. Pero yung iba, ayaw magpalagay ng magazine. Ito, ang dami ng laman ng kanyang box, oh. Isingit na lang natin yung atin dito. Parang wala mo yan siguro tao sa bahay na yan, eh. Hindi man nag-empty ng mailbox. Minoxia. Ayaw nyo. Bakit ayaw nyo? Ayan, ayaw talaga nila magpalagay ng mga advertisement. Ayan, sana isa man lang sa inyo may tumawag at magpa-reserve kahit window cleaning lang. Malaking tulong na yun. Pangbili ng gas at pang kapital. Kasi may mga bagay pa na hindi pa namin nabili ni Pars. Madami pa, pero ang binili lang talaga namin is yung basic needs ng paglilinis. Mikula. Akala ko mukula. Naalala ko yung asawa ni Rosalie. Muka pala yun. Ayan. So, meron pa kaya dun sa unahan? Meron pa dun sa unahan. Isang kilometro lang yung lakad natin. Hindi tayo mapapalayo nito. Kasi yung mga area dito is yung row house ba? Simla Ate Julie. Nasa isang area lang yung kanilang mailbox at isang lakaran lang. Exercise na din to. Kanina pa talaga kami nag-exercise ni Nixon. Bumalik lang kami doon sa bahay. Nagreklamo na siya. Naglakad ako tapos siya pinabitbit ko ng bike. Binadrive ko ng kanyang bike pala. Sorry. So nagreklamo siya, napagod na daw yung kanyang paa. Dito tayo, may 4. Sana pwede maglagay dito ng flyers. Ayan, walang nakalagay na bawal. Lagyan natin to. Ganyan lang. Ning kamot jud ta Mars para sa panginabuhi. Yan, harap lang 2 yung aking nahulog. Kasi medyo mabigat yung hulog ng isang papel. Ayan. Ayan. So, yan lang. Hindi ba? Mabilisang lakad lang ba? Meron pa dito. Ay, yung isa pala. Dito. Meron pa dito. Ang ganda ng mga bahay-bahay dito. Wala, isang bahay lang ba yun? Bakit ang laki niyan? Ang laki ng bahay na to. 2 pala yan. Akala ko isa. Ano to? Lagyan natin dito. Dito. Lagyan natin. Paano naman to? Ayan. Wala pa. Ubos na yung aking flyers. Tapos dun sa unahan. Diyos ko, napasarap na naman si Maring Queenie maglagay ng flyers. Ang ending nito, mapapalayo na naman ako. Dito pala sana kami dapat ni Nixo kanina. Wala nakalagay. May nook siya. Ayaw niya ng flyers. Hindi, wag natin lagyan. Ito na yung last at ako ay babalik na dun sa aking daan. Balik na ako. Ito. Ayan. Walang bawal. Lagyan natin. Sana isa sa inyo, Lord, bulungan nyo po sila na mag-message sa amin. Kahit isa man lang. Ilan kaya yung nahulugan natin? Siguro mga 20 house din yun. Madami din yun. Doon na tayo sa Q-Market. Dahil mag-gym na ako. Ang labas natin mamaya sa gym. Madilim na. Ayan. Todo kayod lang. Ano lang talaga. Double job. Ang nakaka-stress nito, no? Pag siguro ako walang trabaho. Tapos ito lang yung inaasahan ko na magka-sweldo or sahod yung paglilinis. Siguro na-depress na ako sa loob ng bahay. Na-stress na. Dahil wala akong ibang income. So, daming bayarin, di ba? Yun yung laging sinasabi ni Pars na huwag natin stressin yung mga sarili namin dahil pag nagpadala kami nun, baka mawala na kami ng gana nito ba? Ano lang, go with the flow. And of course, tiwala kay Lord. Araw-araw ko tong pinagdarasal na sana one day yung isa kong customer, kailan ba yun siya magpalinis? Sa katapusan pala yun siya ng May magpapalinis. So may 1 linggo pa ako or 10 days bago ako maglinis doon sa kanya. At reserve ko na yun sa work ko na hindi ako papasok. Kaya ang nangyari doon, Lunes kasi yung magpapalinis yung customer ko. Tapos Sunday, doon ako sa hotel, meron akong work. Nilagay ng boss ko ba Sunday. Sunday, double payment yun. So okay pa din. Tapos pagka Tuesday niyan, hindi pa confirm yung schedule ko if meron akong off or work doon sa hotel. Malalaman ko pa yan next week yung schedule ko. So tara. Nakapag-cardio walking na si Mars. Tapos diretso sa gym mag-workout. Ayun, mystery grocery bag muna tayo. Yan. Tamang-tama kanina nung paalis na ako doon sa pinagparkingan ko kanina sa Q-Market. May na-receive akong notification sa aking apps na merong mystery grocery bag. 5-5 lang tayo ngayon. Yan naman lagi ang kinukuha ko dito. 5-5 lang. Tag 5, tag 5, tag 5 na lang. So, hasa na yung ating code para makuha natin yung ating grocery. Ayan. Ulatos kasi. Ulatos kasi. Yeah. Tapos, daming jackpot. May pa jackpot si Mr. Bean. Tingnan natin. Silipin muna natin dito sa sasakyan kasi hindi pa naman ako uuwi. Kinuha ko lang siya dahil 30 minutes na lang magko-close na yan eh. So, baka paglabas ko mamaya sa gym ay close na eh. Hindi ko maabutan yung aking mystery grocery bag. Mag-update pa naman yan dito sa apps ko na kailangan mo na pick upin yung order mo. Char, order yan. Hala, may pizza! Hala, may itlog! Oh my God! May pa-jackpot talaga si mystery grocery bag sa atin ngayon. Sa halagang 5 euro na lang. So, another tipid-tipid na naman ang inyong Maring Queenie talaga. Kung saan tayo makatipid, mga misis, doon tayo, di ba? I just said good night to Mixo.
Yeah.
Ayan. Hey, I dropped there close to Q-Market houses. Yeah. Like the Trivitalo.
Yeah.
So, it's very big jackpot sa ating mystery grocery bag.
Looking cool.
Guys, nice. Pizza.
Ham.
Yeah.
Ham.
Ham pizza.
Yeah.
We just ate yesterday pizza.
King ham. Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oj, så bra.
Nice. And then chicken. Hey,
Basil lemongrass.
got eggs.
Okej.
Ayan yung ating mga grocery. Tapos salad.
Salad.
Still fine? Yeah, I think so. Tomorrow
Yeah.
we need to eat it tomorrow.
Ja.
Palapais.
It's like meat stew.
Hey,
and
risi
mashed
pira ka.
potato. Yeah.
Risi pira ka. This is so
So plenty.
plenty
What's that?
in the club sandwich. I have no idea what this in.
Me neither.
Oh, timmy yummy, like leaves.
Yeah, chicken aioli, turkey bacon, and crispy veggies.
Lapa. I remember this. We got this from Mr. Bean with Ate Julie.
Cheddar. Is it like a pizza?
Hala!
Cheddar cheese.
Croissant!
Croissants. Nice.
And then, broccoli. May mga vegetable din tayo.
Very good.
Very.
Okay.
Oh my
more
God!
beef. And more beef.
Oh my God!
So plenty. Chicken barbecue.
I like this.
It's yours.
Yes,
Yours.
I like
I
this.
can eat that
You can
one.
have that because not my
You
type.
can have.
we have tomorrow. What's that? Food for work. Food for work. And the last one.
Hornets. Nice. Chicken wings.
Oh my God, Rakas.
So plenty.
This is like the best.
It is.
Oh my goodness. Sa halagang €5. Oh my
Not
God.
bad. Not
Si Pars
bad.
parang natamimi. You shock? Huh?
It's not bad.
It's not bad. This is so plenty.
Yeah.
Especially this croissant. Like ready to put to oven. We make this a fresh dough. No, maybe in
Yeah, like fresh. Yeah,
Fresh.
yeah, not now. We
Not
need to,
now. Ah, like-
because it's in the can.
yeah, when we open this,
Yeah,
it's
then we do it there.
when we do it. Some morning. Okay.
It's very nice to have in the morning.
Yeah, like
coffee.
fresh croissant.
Yeah.
Yeah, at hotel, in the hotel, they always serve
Croissants.
Croissant.
Yeah.
every morning, and
very common.
every time I clean morning work there, like from 5 o'clock, and when I arrive, they're already cooking. 5 o'clock, I'm hungry. Like morning po yun ha, kasi nga nagsasaang na sila ng croissant, ang bango-bango pa naman yun. Sabi ko, shucks, ang bango at ang nakakagutom.
This is like food for 4 days plus all those like what's
snacks.
already ready food.
Yeah.
Like this is not a snack, it's a full meal.
It's full meal.
Full meal. There is mashed potato and like meat stew.
Oh my God.
Not bad.
What? So cheap, and then 4 days of eating? And we still planning to cook.
Yeah, we need to do that.
Kasi nilabas ko na kanina yung karne, hindi ko naman in-expect today na makakakuha ako ng murang mystery grocery bag. Hindi ako na-expect na makakuha ako ng mystery grocery bag na ganito kadami. Wala nang alaman yung ref namin, pa-empty na siya.
Nice.
Maguluhan si Pars.
Nice
Ano
catch.
gagawin? Yeah, nice catch. Thank you, Lord. Hey, I don't remember when is the last time we did grocery that like this kind of food.
Yeah.
So plenty. It's been so long already. Hey, I think you can put this to our pork brace.
I was thinking because I just read like it's fresh thyme.
Oh.
We can put there when we make
Okay,
that.
yeah. Magluluto kami ni Pars ng food. So, okay, what we need to cook? So, ayan. Kailangan
We
natin
need to
mag-
cook that one.
Ayan. So,
And so we need
ay,
to
sus,
take
din
it to the...
naglabas. Hindi naglabas pala ako
It's
ng...
already melted. We need to use that as well.
Ito, magluluto kami ni Pars ngayon. Maybe we put this to freezer because
We need to put this to freezer.
we just leave some. Yeah, maybe all to freezer because we have 2 meal.
Yeah.
Meron kasing dalawang putahe
This is
na
easy to
lulutuin
take.
namin. What?
I think...
You bring it tomorrow to work?
No.
For Mixo?
Well, actually, I can bring it. It is for Mixu or for me to work.
Maybe you, because I'm sure this is quite like the spicy.
I think no.
No? Let's hope Mixo will like it.
And it's tender.
Maybe
So
you
slow cook.
maybe you just bring this. I will just offer Mixo that tomorrow.
Okay.
Because
we can.
he
I can.
want potato.
True.
Alam niyo po ba si Mixo kanina, naloka ako.
Are you going to make mashed potato?
No.
No? Yeah.
Do we still have potato?
Need to check.
Let's hope we have potato.
We have few. We can make a small. No, okay, we have.
Okay,
we
maybe.
can make.
Yun. So magluluto kami na yan. So ayun na nga, kanina, yung Mixo natin, nagsumbong sa tatay niya. Sabi pa niya, pinakain daw siya ng nanay niya ng rice today. Mixo is so cute when he told you that, Mama, give to me rice again.
Yeah.
Nagreklamo talaga siya.
Naughty mama.
Sabi niya, easy, Mama, give me rice again. Natawa na talaga ako. Yeah, because today they ate rice in the daycare. That's why he said, hala, he ate all the...
He eat all of it. Yeah. And after that, 3 mandarin. 3 mandarin.
Oh
I
my
give to him.
Oh my God, he's been eating. Hala. Which is, natutuwa kami ng tatay niya.
Not even one slice left.
Really?
Green mandarin.
When he ate that fried rice, what I give to him, like almost full of that bowl.
Yeah. He's been eating so good.
Yeah, he is. And it's good.
It is good.
So, ayun. Magluto daw si Pars
Mix like
natin.
this.
What's
You
that?
cook this
Yeah, I was thinking
tomorrow
in the...
the pork.
with the pork, okay.
Or what you planning to offer to mix?
That one! And then I
The
can...
pork.
No, I boiled that.
Okay.
Okay.
You just boil that and keep the pork.
Okay.
So we need to.
Okay. So, ayan, magluto na kami. Pagtulungan namin to dahil anong oras na. At kami ay may work pa bukas. So, buti na lang meron kaming pressure cooker. At doon natin yun ilagay ang ating leg. Do you want to cook my leg also?
I'm sure it's very tasty.
It's very yummy. Yung pata ko. So, ito ang lulutuin natin ay braised pork leg. So, eksperimento lang kami ni Pars. Ano yung naaayon sa aming panlasa. Pang Chinese kasi ito siya eh. Para lang din siyang humba. Pero ito, ang daming niyang mga ganito. Daming abubot. Buti na lang ay meron kaming mga ganito. Kahapon, binili ko yan. Dapat kahapon pa yan lutuin eh. Nakalimutan ko man dahil tinatamad ang Maring Queen ni kahapon. Dahil Mother's Day. Ay. Oh. Like this. Sa pressure cooker. Lucky we have pressure cooker.
It cooks so much faster.
Okay, what else? So, that's it. Maybe that's enough of ginger. We put this all? Maybe we put.
Yeah, we put all that.
Because we don't need
Yeah,
this in it. We're
yeah,
gonna be...
yeah. And it's not so strong because it's that summer onion.
Yeah. Wala na pala kaming onion talaga. Uy, ubos na. Hey, have you noticed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I asked you what you plant there.
Did you?
Yeah, you said nothing.
Huh?
When you was on the couch, I said, you put some dirt there. What you planting? Nothing.
What? Did I answer?
Yeah, you answered. Nothing. I was, but you are covered it.
Maybe,
Nothing.
maybe it's not me. I don't remember you asked.
I did. When I came from work, I asked when I noticed that, yeah, you plan to plant something. No, I just put it. What you plant? Nothing.
Oh my God. I don't remember, Rakos.
You was not listening to me.
Yeah,
You
but
was on your phone.
yeah, because I was watching funny movie. Really?
So I thought that there is nothing, it's just covered, there is dirt and there is covered, so... But if she says there is nothing,
So,
there is nothing.
So, ano?
So, may I ask again, what you plant there?
I put eggplant,
Okay, plant,
okra,
okra,
long beans,
long beans.
alugbate. It's all are Asian.
Quite plenty to be nothing.
Yeah, it's very nothing there. Oh, so ayan. Hinimay-himay pa ni Pars yung time. Hindi ko pala ito nalagay kung mga gulay dito. Inuna yung karne kasi baka masira na ba? Nag-warm na. And then mag-potato daw tayo. Dito pa yung mga potato na nakuha natin kayo. Mr. Bean. Hey, this is for mashed potato. Maybe
It is.
you cook this all. Oh my God, you messed that.
Why you throw it down? Huh?
You cook this all potato o mashed potato. Kasi masarap naman yung mashed potato kahit na anuhan na siya ba, yung natagalan na. Basta, andito lang siya sa ref. So, meron na food for tomorrow. Yung bread lang siguro ang aking baon bukas. Nagmamadali na kami magluto dahil ang oras na. Malapit na. 9:30 na, oy. Kasi nagmamadali nga. Strength training lang naman ang ginawa ko. Dahil next day ay cardio. Ayan. Nagpa-itlog si Mystery Grocery Bag. Tamang-tama. Wala na kaming itlog. Meron ba o wala na? May nakita mo na akong itlog. Meron pang isang box. No, it's fine. I already did. No need, no need.
I don't need.
You. Just like that. You put it all of those.
Like quite big.
Yeah.
Mixed won't like it, like big ones.
Mixo don't need to eat those.
Then we just need to take it off.
Yeah.
Because of course he
Ayan.
don't. If he put it to his mouth.
So, ayan. Ilagay lahat yung ating ano
Okay.
dyan. Herbs at kung ano-ano pa. The meat.
How about peppers, pepper leaves?
You put first the meat. It's supposed to be the... Oh.
Do we need to?
Huh? I already washed it.
You wash it.
Yes.
Okay,
I washed it earlier. Oh, it's nice. And then pepper. Sana yung ating pepper. Oh.
Black, I would rather use that mauste.
Minka mauste.
Mauste people.
Oh, di ba may sarili din siyang panlasa? Hindi kami magkatugma nito kasi may sarili siyang recipe. Ako may sariling recipe din. So, lagyan natin siya ng pepper leaves. Ayan. Tapos, pakukuluan lang natin yan. Para lang din
This
siya.
one.
Okay.
It's more big, and I also like the taste.
The taste. Okay.
It's easy to take off.
Really? And then, water.
Water. How about salt?
Yes. Salt. Water first. Water first. Alis ka nga dyan, Mars, kasi dinidisturbo mo si Mars eh. Ayan. Maya na ako maligo pag natapos na to. Nilagay lang muna namin to sa pressure cooker, mga 40 minutes siguro. Tapos na yan ay balatan ko pala yung patatas. Dahil pag si Pars lang mag-isa nito, baka matagalan siya. Ganyan lang. Teamwork. Teamwork. Tayo.
Teamwork.
Yeah. And then, the toyo is here. Yeah.
Do you put how much you put soy? Do you add soy here?
Yes. You add soy.
Okay, you can add.
I add?
Well, I was still waiting like how much I add salt.
Okay. You can try. Maybe one cup. We can taste it later. Ayan. Magbibigay ng kulay sa ating braised pork. Parang ang dami
Like that?
naman itong tubig nilagay ni Pars. No, we can add later.
Yeah.
Wala kasi kaming oyster sauce eh, naubos.
You sure we don't have?
I just cleaned that cabinet.
you clean the
And look po.
Yeah.
Sarap pa naman yung oyster sauce. Wala. Naubos yung oyster sauce. It's fish sauce.
Fish sauce, oyster brand.
It's
That's
different.
what I thought.
Ang dami naman itong tubig ni Pars. Wala damihan yung tubig. Iyaano natin siya. Huwag din natin siyang disturbuhin. So baka mapagalitan pa tayo sabihin, ikaw na magluto. Ganyan pa naman yan siya. Pag yung ang dami kong satsat sa kusina, sabihan ako, ikaw na magluto. Maldituhan ako. Ikaw na magluto. Ang dami mo satsat dito. Recipe ko to. Tapos. Baltan ko lang tong
How about this
potato.
full?
Ay, yun, the kanili. So yung kanili, akin yan. Idea ko yan.
Cinnamon, how many pieces?
You can put 2.
2 pieces.
Yeah.
Just like that.
So we combine our recipe. Yung recipe.
Yeah, yeah.
Recipe.
It is. So what else? Maybe just a little bit of chili.
No, no,
No
mixo,
chili,
mixo.
yeah.
Okay, now you can put that on. And then later, let's see. Inaantok na ako. Pero yung aming niluluto ni Pars ay hindi pa tapos. Let's check ito. Kakaahon lang ni Pars sa init. Ooh! It's very tender.
Oh, God.
Oh,
That's good.
now it's fine. Ooh! Ang bango. Tapos yung sabaw niya, dapat kunti lang yan. Dinamihan ni Pars eh. Nice.